How to recover deleted messages on Google Messages. You accidentally deleted an important text message on Google Messages, and now you're panicking trying to figure out if there's any way to get it. Bug. Take a breath. This video covers every legitimate recovery option available to you right now. Welcome back. Today we're walking through exactly how to recover deleted messages on Google Messages in 2026. Every method, every option, and what's realistically possible so you know exactly where you stand. Let's get into it. Step 1. Act fast because timing is everything when it comes to recovering deleted messages. The sooner you try to recover after accidentally deleting, the better your chances are. Avoid sending or receiving new messages immediately after deleting, as new data can overwrite the space where deleted messages were stored. Step 2. Check the recently deleted folder first. In newer versions of Google Messages, deleted messages are not permanently removed right away. Open Google Messages, tap the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the app, and look for Trash or Recently Deleted in the drop-down menu. Deleted messages are kept here for up to 30 days before being permanently erased, giving you a clean and easy recovery option. Step 3. If you find your deleted messages in the trash folder, tap and hold the conversation or message you want to recover. Then tap Restore to bring it back to your main inbox completely intact. Step 4. If the trash folder is empty or the message is not there, check your Google Drive backup. Open the Google Drive app on your Android device, tap the three-line menu on the left side and tap Backups. Look for your device backup and check if it includes an SMS backup from before you deleted the message. Step 5. If a valid backup exists from before the deletion, you can restore it by going to your phone settings, tapping on Google, selecting Backup, and then restoring your device from that backup point. Be aware that restoring a full backup will revert other data on your phone as well, so consider this carefully before proceeding. Step 6. Check if you have SMS backup enabled through Google One. Open the Google One app, tap Storage, and look for device backups that include messages data. If a recent enough backup exists before your deletion date, this is another clean restoration path. Step 7. If you use Google Messages across multiple devices, such as a tablet or another phone linked to the same Google account, check if the deleted conversation still appears on any of those other devices. Sometimes messages sync differently across devices, and the deleted message may still be visible and accessible on another linked device. Pro tip: to prevent this problem from ever happening again, enable automatic Google Messages backup right now. Go to your phone settings, tap Google, tap Backup, and make sure Backup Now is enabled and set to backup regularly over Wi-Fi. This creates a consistent restore point, so that if you ever accidentally delete important messages again, you will always have a recent backup ready to recover from with minimal data loss. And that's your complete guide to recovering deleted messages on Google Messages in 2026. From the trash folder to Google Drive backups, you now have every recovery option fully covered. If this video helped you save an important message, hit that like button, subscribe for more Android and Google tips, and comment below: were you able to recover your deleted messages? Let me know which method worked for you. See you in the next one.